Hey guys, after watching the video on Kepler's laws and keeping in consideration Newton's three laws of motion and Newton's law of gravitation, I think it would be necessary to almost use all these physical laws that we've learned about in order for it to be necessary to send a probe outside of our solar system. This is because without this information and without these laws that Kepler and Newton have given to us, I don't think we'd have the proper information uh, to send a probe outside of our solar system, or at least have sort of a success rather than just a straight up failure of sending a probe outside of our solar system. Just a couple examples would be using um, Kepler's third law. This is because we can calculate how long the probe has to travel through our solar system and to a different solar system. We then can use Newton's first law of motion, because as the object, the probe, will be traveling through space, the motion of the object will stay in motion until acted on by an external force, as you guys should know. Um, so we got to keep in mind if an object in space will completely run into our probe and send it a different direction that we'd want it to go. And so I think we'd have to consider constructing a proper probe with this in case an object flies and hits our probe, knocking it and breaking it, or sending it a different direction. Um, we would need to know how to construct a proper probe because um, with the amount of time it might be traveling and how long it would be traveling, I think we would have to know what the probe or what kind of conditions the probe would go through on that journey. And um, with Kepler's third law, as we send the probe out, we'd have to consider Kepler's first law, sorry, apologize, how orbits are elliptical and are one with the sun at one focus. So we could possibly figure out what time a planet is rotating or orbiting around the sun and or other planets in order to send this probe out without it getting destroyed by an orbiting planet. Um, Another one, the last question I had was, what if the different solar system, was completely different than ours, considering the conditions, the gravitation, just all of that. Um, and then, um, yeah, without all these laws that we've learned, I don't think we'd know the specifics be or know the knowledge to be able to send a probe out properly to a different solar system. Thank you.